A plant-based diet is not only healthy and sustainable but also provides ample protein to keep your body energized and strong when you make the right food choices. Plant-based protein sources are nutrient-dense and incredibly versatile, offering a wealth of options for creating delicious, satisfying meals. In this guide, we'll explore the top sources of plant-based protein and creative ways to incorporate them into your favorite recipes, no matter your dietary preferences. Top plant-based protein sources. Lentils are one of the best sources of plant-based protein, with approximately 18 grams per cup. They are a versatile ingredient that works beautifully in soups, stews, curries, and even cold salads for a filling, protein-packed meal. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a staple in many cuisines, offering about 15 grams of protein per cup. They're ideal for making hummus, tossing into salads, or roasting for a crunchy snack that's full of flavor. Black beans provide a generous 15 grams of protein per cup, making them perfect for hearty dishes like burritos, spicy chili, or homemade veggie burgers that everyone will love. Quinoa, a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, delivers 8 grams of protein per cup. It's a fantastic base for salads, grain bowls, or as a replacement for rice in many recipes. Tofu, made from soybeans, offers about 10 grams of protein per serving. It's a versatile option that absorbs flavors well and can be grilled, stir-fried, or blended into smoothies for added protein. Tempeh, another soy-based protein source, packs a hefty 19 grams of protein per serving. With its nutty flavor and firm texture, it's perfect for marinating and adding to stir-fries, sandwiches or Buddha bowls. Edamame, young green soybeans, contain an impressive 17 grams of protein per cup. These tender beans are delicious on their own, lightly salted, or tossed into salads and grain dishes for a nutritional boost. Seitan, or wheat gluten, is a protein powerhouse with around 21 grams per serving. Known for its meat-like texture, seitan is a fantastic option for vegan-friendly versions of stir-fries, sandwiches, and barbecue dishes. Peas may seem simple, but they pack a solid 9 grams of protein per cup. Use them in soups, mix them into pasta dishes, or puree them into a vibrant, high-protein spread. Hemp seeds are small but mighty, providing 10 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into energy bars for a quick protein boost. Chia seeds contain about 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. These tiny seeds expand in liquid and are perfect for making chia pudding, adding to smoothies, or topping your favorite yogurt or oatmeal. Pumpkin seeds, with 7 grams of protein per ounce, are not only a crunchy snack, but also a great addition to salads, soups, or baked goods for added texture and nutrition. Nutritional yeast is a protein-rich ingredient with 8 grams per 2 tablespoons. Its cheesy flavor makes it an excellent topping for pasta, popcorn, or mixing into creamy sauces. Almonds, offering 6 grams of protein per ounce, are a nutritious snack and work wonderfully in granola, smoothies or as almond butter for dipping fruits. Peanut butter is not just delicious but also a protein-packed spread, delivering 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Use it in sandwiches, baked goods, or even drizzled over pancakes. Oats, with 5 grams of protein per half cup, make a hearty breakfast when cooked into oatmeal and topped with nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit. They also work well in cookies and energy bars. Spinach, though not as protein-dense, offers 5 grams of protein per cooked cup. Add it to smoothies, stir-fries, or soups for a nutritional boost that also delivers a dose of vitamins and minerals. Delicious recipes with plant-based protein. Begin your day with a chia pudding parfait, layering creamy almond milk-soaked chia seeds with vibrant fruit and granola for a satisfying and colorful breakfast. Create a hearty quinoa and chickpea salad by tossing cooked quinoa with fresh veggies, chickpeas, and a zesty lemon tahini dressing that's both refreshing and filling. Warm up with a bowl of lentil soup, flavored with garlic, cumin, and a touch of lemon juice for a comforting meal packed with protein and earthy flavors. For a savory breakfast alternative, try a tofu scramble loaded with veggies, turmeric, and nutritional yeast for a creamy, cheesy twist. Whip up black bean burgers by mashing black beans with oats, spices, and your favorite herbs, then grill or bake them to perfection. Satisfy your snack cravings with crispy roasted chickpeas, seasoned with paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of salt for an irresistible crunch. Enjoy edamame straight out of the pod, seasoned lightly with sea salt or chili flakes, as a quick snack that's nutritious and packed with protein. Make a creamy, indulgent nutritional yeast cheese sauce and drizzle it over pasta or roasted veggies for a high-protein, guilt-free comfort food. Toss together a quick tempeh stir-fry, combining marinated tempeh with colorful vegetables and a savory soy ginger sauce for a well-balanced dinner. Blend hemp seeds into your morning smoothie for an extra boost of protein and a nutty flavor that complements fruits like banana and mango. Conclusion: incorporating plant-based protein into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. There are endless options to suit your taste. Whether you're making quick snacks, hearty meals, or creative desserts, these plant-based protein sources are versatile and easy to work with. Experimenting with different recipes can help you discover new favorites and make healthy eating a joy rather than a chore. From lentil soups to tofu scrambles and tempeh stir-fries, the possibilities for crafting delicious, protein-rich meals are truly endless. By focusing on plant-based protein, you're not only boosting your health but also contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking to add more plant-based options to your diet, these ideas are perfect for everyone. With these 40 extended points, you'll never run out of inspiration for creating meals that are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body needs. So start exploring, experimenting, and enjoying the endless variety of plant-based protein sources and recipes today. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. These plant-based ideas prove that it can be exciting and incredibly satisfying. Embrace the world of plant-based protein and elevate your meals with these nutrient-rich, creative, and absolutely delicious options.